Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been using iOS 27 Beta 1 for the past week or you're thinking about installing it on your iPhone, then this video is for you. One of the biggest questions users have after any major beta release is simple. How's the battery life? After 7 days of testing and real-world usage, we finally have a clearer picture of what to expect from iOS 27 Beta 1. When Apple releases a new beta update, battery performance is often one of the first things users notice. During the first few days after installing iOS 27 Beta 1, many people reported significant battery drain. This isn't unusual as the iPhone spends time indexing data, optimizing apps, syncing content, and running various background processes after a major software update. The good news is that after a full week of use, the experience appears to be improving for many users. Reports suggest that battery life has become noticeably more stable compared to day one. For some iPhone owners, battery performance is now very similar to what they experienced on the previous version of iOS. Everyday activities like browsing the web, scrolling through social media, watching videos, and messaging friends seem to have a minimal impact on battery life for most users. However, the results aren't identical for everyone. Some users, particularly those using older iPhone models, continue to experience faster battery drain, occasional overheating, and increased background activity. Since iOS 27 Beta 1 is still early beta software, these types of issues are expected and will likely improve in future beta releases. If you're looking to maximize battery life, there are a few simple tips that can help. Disable unnecessary background app refresh, lower screen brightness when possible, keep all apps updated to their latest versions, and restart your iPhone after installing the update. These small adjustments can make a noticeable difference in day-to-day performance. Overall, the 7-day battery test shows that iOS 27 Beta 1 is heading in the right direction. While it's becoming more stable and efficient, battery performance can still vary depending on your device model and usage habits. If battery life is extremely important to you, waiting for a later beta version or the official public release may still be the best option. Thanks for watching. If you found this iOS 27 Beta 1 battery update helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more iOS 27 news, tips, reviews, and testing results. Also, let us know in the comments how your battery life has been after 1 week with iOS 27 Beta 1. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.